Jordan Douglas Soft Brush Siding Cleaning Package, unbeatable value. Here is why. Reason number 1. The soft brush is the best way to clean vinyl siding. We use special soft brushes manufactured here in Canada that get the best possible results. Pressure washing can get water where you don't want it. Soft washing relies on a lot of harsh chemicals that can age your siding. However, our soft brush siding cleaning uses a mild soap and detail brushes and gets better results while being gentle on your siding. Reason number 2. Our siding wash package includes almost everything. Siding, outside face of gutters, downpipes, outside face of deck, railings, deck drip edges. Reason number 3. That's right. If you have us do your siding, we will clean your windows for free. Reason number 4. We will match our competitors' prices so that you have a chance to see how great we are. You don't need to pay more to have the best siding cleaning experience in the Lower Mainland. Reason number 5. We have had a great track record for over 15 years. Here's a quick summary. The Jordan Douglas Soft Brush Siding Cleaning Package is unbeatable for these 5 reasons. 1. The soft brush method is the best. 2. Our siding cleaning package is the most inclusive. 3. We will clean your windows for free. 4. We will match our competitors' prices. 5. We are highly rated. We are townhouse cleaning experts. Here are other services we do. Extreme gutter cleanse. Roof moss free forever. Dryer vent cleaning. Concrete pressure washing. If you are interested or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.